Hey guys, how you doing today? So here we are. We are in D-Dub's garage, as you can see right there. Oh, can't zoom you, but anyway, there it is. But what we're doing today is we're working on the Ram. Like I said, what I'll do is I'll do a video just kind of going over this thing. Let me just flip the camera around. So, yeah, and the D-Dub's gonna help me here. But it is a Ram 3500 with the 6.7 Cummins. And what we're doing with the truck today is we are gonna be putting some cab lights on it. So these are the Mopar cab lights. They have a nice thick gasket around the outside here. Lights plug into the bottom. What I did is I bought some white LEDs. What came with it, as you can see here, is it came with just the amber incandescents. You've got your little plugs as well, which goes in those holes, but we've got to do it. We'll look at the instructions are really explicit in that respect. With the Mopar kit, it also does give you a template, and we've got it cut out here and here as well. We'll lay that out on the thing on the truck, and the instructions are detailed amazingly. Lots of detail as far as everything goes. So it's going to be a pretty easy. It'll be probably an hour and a half install in that respect. What we do have to do to start with though is we have to get the front of the headliner out. Don't take the whole headliner out. Chrysler does suggest that you take the whole headliner out. Do not do that, because this console in the top there, you will have problems with that after the fact. What you have to do is the A-pillars come out. There's a screw somewhere right here. There's a screw here. There's a screw two on the other side, because I do have a bully dog over there. You can see there's the bully dog there. So there's a screw just over top of that, and then there's another screw up on the top up here. And take your screws for the vents out, and it should pop down. And then we got to take this panel off on here on the side, because our wire is actually going to be in there, and then we got to run it up and then up to the top. So we are going to get started on that. We're going to get the headliner out. We'll get the template. We'll get that up on the roof, get it taped up, and get it done that way. And we'll kind of go from there. Okay. So what you have to do is make sure that you have your arrow right on the front edge. We did the same over there. Your measurements here all have to be the same side to side. Then you know you have it centered. Okay, we got everything punched. You can kind of see a little tiny, see if I can focus on this here. There, you can see a little tiny hole there. We got everything punched here now. So what we're gonna do is take this off, and we're gonna drill some holes. So, as you can see, we got 9 holes drilled so far. We got to make the middle ones here all bigger, like 7/8, but we'll do all the pilot holes here first and kind of go from there. Here we are, just touching up all this stuff. Whoa! That's there we go. This is the anvil color from my Jeep. I'm not going to need it anymore. This is all covered, so. We got some big holes in there now.
More boys are gonna leak.
Yeah. Yeah, we got all of them done. We just have this one here left. We gotta do that one. Where'd it go? Right there. Do this one. So we got all the lights painted. or sorry, all the holes painted so we don't have any corrosion. And now we are getting that thing installed. So we're just gonna reach up and poke the lights through and... Okay, so we got the lights working. One thing that we did, just because I have side curtain airbags on this truck and things of that sort, I didn't want to do anything to set those things off. So what I did is we had the negative terminals taken off the battery, which in that turn did not give us a good ground anywhere. We've been trying for the last half hour to try to get these lights lit up. Couldn't work. But anyway, here, I'll flip the camera around. Dwayne will just touch the wire on the battery. Okay, so he's licking it. There we go. And there we go. There's all the cab lights. So now all we have to do, there is a wire in this one here. It's a white with a green. We're gonna tap into that because that is our park lights. And it's one of those ones. Yeah, it's that one right there. White with a green. So we're just gonna tap in with that one. And that is our power for our park lights. And away we go. So, and that is on the bottom of the tipple. And the plug that it is, okay, you see your blue one, your green one, it's the one right next to it. That is the connector, which is this one right here. And how to get it unlocked, when this goes in, you gotta press this piece right here. Once you press that, it'll release it, and then you can wrap that connector back around. And you can see that it's on the back here, right there. So once you get it hooked in, it goes around and it connects. It just clicks and that holds it in place. So just do it gently. These are susceptible, you know, they'll break in that respect. So don't go crazy on it. So anyway, we're just gonna get this. Well, like you can see, I got those in. We know we have them all proper polarity, so we'll probably get the lights going, and then we'll get everything tapped in.
Too small for that island.
Yeah. Okay guys, so what we are doing now is we're just putting in these little tabs here. These little tabs, that's where the screws for the lights themselves, that's what they go into, and once the screw goes in there, it widens it out just like you would like a wall anchor, for example. Dwayne's gonna give me one here and then I'll show you. So this is the little tab here. So as you can see the bottom of it, there you can see the bottom of it sort of split, and once you get that screw in there, it'll actually suck it together, or pulls it apart, so that it, there we go. No, can't reach that one. There's my paint job.
It's quite a paint job.
The paintbrush got a little out of hand there.
All right.
But anyway, so now what we can do is just get our got some paint there. Yeah, just get our paint wasn't quite dry. Get our lights in here. So what we have to do is we just gotta press our lights in there, and then once I do that, I'll show you. Okay, well, we got the lights on. You can silicone around the holes if you want. I kind of made a big of a mess. Anyway, we got these on. What you gotta do is you gotta back the screws out a little bit after you put those plugs in. Back the screws out once you get them lined up, and then drive the screws home. In that respect, don't go crazy tight, but just tight enough that you feel you got a good seal around that. Make sure your seals are in the proper spots, right? Just make sure everything is good. I don't know. I love the look of the clear. Gonna be white lights. Oh yeah, turn them on. See what they.
Bam.
Boom. There we go. They're nice and bright. Nice and bright. That's sweet. Okay. Now it's just a matter of getting our hook. We gotta take that wire. We gotta run it through the firewall. There we go. So you can see now there's a wire through there already. We're just gonna poke another hole or whatever the case. We're gonna figure it out, and we'll go from there. Okay, guys. So what you need to look for is the green wire the white wire with the green stripe. And you can see right there, that wire right there, that's the white wire with the green stripe. And there, Dwayne's got his finger on it. The green wire is the one that comes with the kit. And what we did is we cut that wire and then spliced in that green one.
Solder splice.
Solder spliced it. So she's all soldered together. We got a good hot solder. And anyway, so that's going to be it. We're just going to wait for that to cool. And then we're going to plug everything in. And then we will show you the lights when we turn the park lights on.
That's cool.
So there we go, guys. They are on. And stupid bright. I'll leave the link in below where I got the lights. These are the factory Mopar cab lights, and I got them from a local dealer here in Calgary, Cochrane actually. My buddy works out at the Cochrane Dodge, so yeah. So I just wanted to thank Dwayne for all his help today.
My pleasure, buddy.
Having buddies like this, you know, like we got a good group that we hang out and do all stuff together, and having good buddies like that is always a pleasure to have and good to have, and we help each other. So, nope, I just want to thank everybody for watching. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers.